Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique.
So today video, if you need to have a double line space for your any paragraph or sentence or line, how to make it on Google Docs. You just need to select the entire paragraph or entire document that you want to make a double spacing of line. Go to the format option here and you can see a option called line and paragraph spacing, and here you can see a single 1.15 and 1.5 and double. So use this option to make a double line spacing for your document. What is double line spacing? For an example, I'm making an undo option here, so I just going to make a double line spacing for this. Okay, I just made it. So you can see spacing can be differentiate having a double line spacing or single line spacing according to your wish. So you just need to select, and another shortcut was you can see here. So here you can see the icon of line spacing and just click it and click on the double option. It automatically made a double line spacing. You can also adjust some of the add before spacing and lot of other options out here, so you can make use of it. So try this on Google Docs now, and if you want more videos about Google Docs, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique, and have a wonderful day.